Welcome back to the Newbie Railroad. As normal for these things, we've got a couple different things going on today. The first thing, in most of this episode actually, is operating session. A lot of people, when they set up their layouts, especially smaller layouts, do it with the idea of having kind of like a shunting puzzle, where basically what you might do is you might rearrange the cars in a random fashion, and then have a maybe even randomize with a card draw or something, randomize the the order that a train is supposed to be put in, and then try to do that with your shunter using a minimum number of steps. And so that's kind of the puzzle. Well, I'm not going to go quite to that extent today, but I am going to do a little shunting session, just kind of as a practice for me. I haven't done this too much yet, and try to mimic some basic operations. The other thing then later on in the video here, what we're going to do is I've got an unboxing of some wall art decoration that's kind of interesting, and I also picked up a frame for the billboard. So we'll take a quick look at that too. So let's get right into it.
Doing a little operating session this morning. So what I've got some cars over here, a box car and a couple of Benz cars. And I've got a loco, and I want that loco to take those cars over and drop them off on the siding over there, that goes to the main line. But I want to also include this ore car from the grain elevator. So the first thing I did is I had my switcher come in, and it moved the caboose from the back of that car out of the way and shoved it out of the way. And now I'm going to take the switcher. Let's see, that one is already thrown. And the switcher there he goes. He gets stuck sometimes because he's not very big, doesn't get real good pickups. Okay. And get back on the main line, a little jerky there on that point. Okay, stop him. Okay, and then I want to throw the turnout. This is the elevator siding. It's thrown right now, so I'll close it. Go back to. I'm just going to try to do it all with just the phone. Go back to my throttle, and still got the same train. Start backing up, backing up, backing up, backing up. Oops, and that didn't work. Now, why didn't that work? All right, let me go back to the turnouts. Did I screw that up? Yeah, it says it's thrown. I don't want it thrown. I want it closed. Oh, okay. All right, that must be a operator error. Yeah, operator error. All right, now let's try backing up. And yep. And now that switch is already set correctly. We're going to add this to the end of the car, like so. And now I'm going to go get the caboose and bring it over. Be back in a minute. Okay, the little Plymouth switcher's job is done. He's got the cars all lined up with the caboose at the end. And now we're going to go ahead and take the switcher and put it out someplace on a siding someplace. Let's run it over here. Oops, go a little farther, clear the switch, make sure I'm cleared the switch, stop it. Alright, throw that switch. Alright, then back up. Alright, that's good. Now, let's go get the main engine. Okay, let's go pick up the train. Let's check this switch. That should be, let's see, siding west. It says closed. I want to throw that one. All right. Okay. Close that switch. Back up. A little fast there. Okay, there goes the train. While I'm waiting for it, let me check the status of the crossovers. I want them both. I want that one. No. I want the crossover east closed. No, I want them both closed. I'm just learning how to do this. Okay, there should be, hopefully, unless something got goofed up, they should both be closed. Let's see. Alright, that looks... Okay. Now, let's come and bring the consist, the train down the line. Okay, cleared that. Now, let's throw, let's see, that's the main branch. Close that. And let's take the main siding and let's throw it. No, let's leave it closed for a second. I got an idea. Alright. It's always dangerous. Alright, let's back up. What I'm going to try to do is drop off the caboose. And when I get done, I'll bring the caboose back. Whoops, that's not going right. Let me go check that. Okay, now let's see if I can back up. I'll have to throw the switch for the main siding. I'll have to close it, I mean. I'll go see if I can get the caboose here. Did it connect? Why, yes it did. Alright. Yay! Mission accomplished. Although turns out my siding over there isn't really long enough. The wall got in the way. You may remember that the Hamm sign that I had, and I was trying to figure out where to put it. So I picked this up. It's a little billboard that's designed for these signs. Comes with an instruction sheet, one-sided. It says Assembly Instructions Model 001, roadside billboard supports. So I'm going to try to put that together, and we'll see how that goes. So, I got something in the mail today. This is something I ordered. It's a sign. I ordered it off of Amazon. It came from Wall Color Signs, wall-color.com in Plymouth, Minnesota. And I haven't had it out of the box yet, so let's see what we got in here. There should be two items. Okay, one is the Empire Builder. Can I get this whole thing in here? Not really. Let me back it off here. So it's an Empire Builder sign from the Great Northern, and it's got the route and a little advertisement, and feels like metal. It's got holes in all four corners, and then this other thing here should be Rocky the Goat here, the Great Northern Railway goat, and it's also a metal sign with holes in the four corners, and it's got some weathering on it, so it makes it look like it's older. And these are going to go up on the wall, probably. At least one of them will go up in there. And I don't know. We'll look around. I'll decide where I'm going to put those in a minute.